Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya Deshawn. The vlog name is Tanya Deshawn Vlogs. Sometimes I forget, but whatever, right? Anyway, I wanted to make a video today because I haven't in a little while. Okay, it's been no it hasn't. It's just been a little while. So I just wanted to just do a video. So, as you can see, okay, I didn't have to do this, but I'm so proud of it. So I fixed the camera up so y'all can see Tanya Deshawn Photography, because I am a photographer. Hey, guys, if y'all see me looking this way, it's because when it comes to videos, I am not that girl. I'm trying to get there. So I'm taking baby steps, okay? So if I'm looking the wrong way, excuse me, okay? Anyway, so now I'm right here. Anyway, whenever I go out, I have people asking me who does my eyebrows and can I do their eyebrows, or can you show me how to do eyebrows, or you need to do my eyebrows, girl. And I'm like, if they only knew. So I was infatuated with other people's eyebrows, right? And I could not get it for nothing, but I kept at it and I got it. And I'm sometimes I impress myself. Sometimes I have one big and one small. But hey, it's all in the journey, right? So what I decided to do is attempt to do a tutorial. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna do one eyebrows. I'm excited. I don't know if I'm gonna do one eyebrow or both, but anyway. So what I use is a dark brown eyeliner pencil. Yeah, eyeliner pencil, eyebrow pencil, but it's in dark brown. And I use NARS concealer. I don't know if I'm gonna hold it this way first, and then I'm gonna turn it around and hold it that way. So this one is NARS. The color is caramel. I say caramel, you say caramel. Take it how you take it. Like the tarot card reader says, take what resonates and let go of the rest. Bam. Anyway, and then I have my brush. It has the little angle on it. How it goes that way, like that. Bam, like that. So I like that. It helps me that. Yeah, that. It helps me do that. Okay, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna get a little closer to you guys, okay? There we go. Okay, so what I like to do first, I always like to sharpen it, like extra sharp. For some reason that helps me out. So I got it pretty sharp the way that I want to. And then let's see. So I like to go with the natural part of it, the natural part of my eyebrows. So this is this is so hard doing it on the camera, but it's fun. Okay, let me try this again. Hey y'all, this might not turn out good. Oh, this might not turn out good, but oh well, this is fun, right? I am not a MUA. So don't worry about the eyebrow. When you do it with the pencil, don't worry about it um, being like super big, and it doesn't have to be perfect because that's where the concealer comes in at. We'll get to that part, but do the best that you can. Okay, so pretty much that's the eyebrow shape I like. So that I won't make the video too long, I'm gonna just do that one. And so with this brush, I like to smash it. So it, like, I don't know these terms. I'm just talking. I am not gonna get on here and act like I know all the makeup terms and everything, because before, when I tried to do a video, I would be like trying to be perfect, trying to make sure that I'm saying stuff right, that I sound cool and shit. But like, I'm a cool person, but I'm like really goofy as well. So it is what it is. If I mess up, I'm not editing this shit. Okay. Then just take this and pretty much make the shape that you want. Like that, right? And then I'll get a little bit more. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all this. Like, with the concealer, I just dab a little concealer on my brush. I forgot to tell y'all that. You know why? Because I'm not a fucking professional. Anyway, there we go. There we go. And then I'll go up here. Do it like that. I like that the end to be like kind of pointy. And then, so guys, a little bit about me. I'm a photographer. Went to photography school. I actually have one more class, but my other profession is I'm a barber. So I went to cosmetology school and graduated in 90. Ooh, no, I didn't. I graduated in 2005. So I didn't like doing women hair too much, so I started doing men haircuts, and I was a military barber, which I love. So now what I'm doing is taking some of the concealer and just pulling it down a little bit so it won't be like one big blob. You know what I mean? Like, not one big blob, but along the crease where I made the line at, I'm just pulling it down a little bit. Well, you can pull it down a lot if you want. I just don't want it to look like in cosmetology school, we call it a demarcation line, which is a thick line that's showing. And I do the same thing up here. I went into my eyebrow. It's kind of hard to see it from this camera, but I'm only showing you how to do it. It's not going to be perfect right now because I can't see it good, but see, that should have been a little bit bigger, but whatever. So anyway, usually I'll take my finger and I'll put it under the water or the sink or whatever, and then I'll just smooth it out a little bit with my finger. Y'all be sleeping on y'all fingers. Y'all better use it. Sometimes I with the what is it, that sponge thing? Sometimes it doesn't work out for me, or it goes too far into my eyebrow. So I like my finger. And I just, whatever this shit is called, that's what I do. I don't know what that shit is called. But, and then, see right in there, it's a little too skinny. So all you have to do is just draw it out. See? I could do some more of that stuff, but this video is just to pretty much show you how I do it. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm not going to try to be perfect. Anyway, so that is my finished product, and then that's my other one. That one. And that is that one. Now, there are like on these pencils, sometimes it comes with like a little brush, and a lot of times I'll take the brush before I start and I'll brush it up all the way around. That gives you a better shape. Like once you go over it with the pencil, it helps you shape it up better or whatever. I didn't do it on this video, but that's pretty much how I do my eyebrows. Yeah. So far this video is 13 minutes, and I'm not going to hold you guys long, but I just wanted to do that. I'm gonna finish this other one, and yeah. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I taught you something, and I hope that y'all fill in the blank, whatever that hope is. Did that make sense? It doesn't matter, does it? Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, like it, subscribe. I need some more subscribers. Like, my shit is good. Y'all need to go ahead and get on my channel before it start popping, because it's about to start popping. I feel it. So go ahead and subscribe now, so that I don't know, but y'all gonna be happy that y'all did now. Do it now. Also, I'm gonna do a video about my spiritual transformation that I'm going through right now. My husband was the one who encouraged me to do it, and my friend Katora, she was the one who gave me some advice about my videos. She told me to show more of my personality. So thank you, Katora, and thank you, Jay. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Eyebrows on fleek over there.